ठीक।
To observe it. So that is the reason you need to decide.
We'll discuss more. Guys, we'll start now. So we have a discussion with the previous batch. I'm starting with you. So we are done with NumPy. Okay. My suggestion for you, open your Python from Python 1 till Python 3. Okay. We'll do a discussion on that. What is your query? I agree with that. That's the meaning we have time. For a time being, open your books, Python books, okay, which is your Jupyter. Please read the topic number 1. Tell me what difficulties you face. If you don't have any difficulties, I will ask the question. Clear, Anisha, Kiran, Ragini, Shantanu?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Per page, 5 minutes. Page number 1, you have 5 minutes. Read one by one. Either you ask or I ask you. So you know how to play the game.
Sir, actually, I'm facing difficulty when I see the questions, sir. Like, I can practice seeing the notes, but while seeing the question, like, which one I have to use, I'm getting confused in that.
That's what I'm saying. Please see the point number 1, page number 1. I will give you and you try to do.
Okay, sir.
Guys, you have 3 minutes. Look at your screen of your day 1, file number 1, which is data type. Okay. Guys, have you tried it in class? Today we are going to discuss with in class only, no? Okay. Done. File number 1. In class activity, no? Let me cross share. Okay. Guys, I'll ask you a question. You have any question first, or should I ask you? No questions. Okay.
So can you please explain complex number once again?
Any numbers written with J is called complex. Simple. I'll repeat. Any number written with J is called complex.
Okay, so can we return with I also, no? Complex number?
No. I works in different software, not in this.
Okay. In Python, only J.
Only J.
Okay.
What is the meaning of?
I have a question.
Yes, please.
Sir, in coming to variables, when we apply multiple variables like A, B, C, or X, Y, Z, or any variables, so in the form of list, like when we get the exact value, so if we get having multiple variables, how we should do, sir? For X, Y, Z, you explained like print of X, print of Y, and print of Z, right? For A, B, C also the same way.
Like print comma A comma B comma C.
Okay. Okay, sir. Sir, I have one more doubt.
Yes.
Like when in which cases we use double quote and single quote, sir? Like
You can use anyone. Depends on you. Both are applicable. You can use anyone. You can do, but it will give you 0.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Any other questions? Guys, what is the meaning of equal?
Assigning value.
Can you give me an example? Where can you use assign?
X equal to 2 is assigning value to the X.
Okay, for example, I want to import data. Okay, I write function, my file is imported. It is mandatory to assign the data. The file import. Repeat a question. You're importing a data. Okay, you run the code, you get the output. My question, it is mandatory to assign that output, the data somewhere. Like we
Yes, sir.
read_csv location path file name.
Yes, sir. But we assign that to the some new variable, right?
Okay, so we have to assign a new, it's compulsory.
No. Yes, I guess. I don't know.
It is compulsory, no? If you have to use again and again.
Yes. So every time you can't import data, so we have to assign that data to some variable.
But the point that every time when you import data, guys, or you do any changes in the data, make yourself, you should assign. Till you clear?
Yes.
Next. Okay. If I don't want to assign the data, I run the code, I get the output. I don't want to assign this data. It is okay. Just
yes, for the one-time run, it's okay.
For the one time, it's okay. But for using multiple times, it is not valid. Okay. So got the point. So we'll start with the first exercise. So today, I update you for in class. I'm repeating. Yesterday, I informed you. Today, you'll do some practice on in class, what we have. Okay. We'll not able to
complete. It's very difficult question in class. I most of the question I didn't understand.
Okay. So question which are easy, first we'll solve that. Okay. I'm repeating question which are easy. From that, we start first solving that part. Till you clear?
Okay.
On screen, question number. Guys, if you suggestion for your batch, okay, for online students especially, If you have any doubt, please speak. And Kiran, Shantanu, try to come offline, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tomorrow if you come online, you will not be allowed in the class. Clear for you?
Okay. Okay.
Shantanu, clear for you? Ragini Vallabh, if you stay in Pune or you stay nearby to the classes, suggestion, come to the class. Okay.
So I'm renting a room near class from first of the this next month. So I'll be available offline next month.
Thank you, Vallabh. Ragini, for you, any update? I'm just asking you, okay, guys?
Yeah, no,
Yes,
sir,
Ragini.
it's not possible for me to
Okay.
come over there.
Okay. Anisha,
Sir,
where
I
you?
have one more question.
Yes, please.
Could you please explain in short, like whatever you have taught on Friday?
Friday, we have taken a test.
Okay.
And then we just written the code of data visualization. Teaching part is remaining. Once I complete this in-class some parts to get an idea what type of question will come for you in test, okay?
Okay, sir.
Then we'll further discussion. Then again, we'll come back to the class exercise.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So guys, here we have written write a program to display the subject, okay, of score between 300 and 500. Inclusive. Inclusive means 300 has to be there and also 500 in the given data frame. The first what we have to make, guys, how you will do like this way. Let's say I write new equal pd dot data frame. Do like this way, everyone. Done this one solving? So you import now? I'm saying you also start solving with me. I'm saying you also start solving from me from question number 16. So first we'll finish whichever is easy. Then we'll come to medium level. Then we come to a difficult level. So import. Run this. Okay. Yes. Subject. Let the values. See, I've done for you. Yeah, I've written. Means I have already. That's why it's ready for me. Guys, we are solving question number 16 for you first. Okay. First will finish the easiest one, then we'll come to medium, then hard. So that is first piece. Done, guys? Done this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, guys, you have to guide me. What should be the query? I will import data first. So this is the data which we have. Now, as per the query, we say we need score between 300 and 500. Can you apply conditions? To take a subset means you are applying condition and taking a subset only. df dot loc square bracket which column df dot in my case is df score. What is the condition we have? So can I say greater than equal to 300? Point number one, first condition, and df dot score less than or equal to 500. Anything else? Comma means before, it's a before comma condition, it's a row condition. Then we take a small round bracket. Let's cross check it's a right or wrong. For me it's D, sorry. In my case it's D. Again I'm getting error. You check, guys. Small mistake is there, everything is correct. In D score in quotes. No, it's a number data, no? Oh, so sorry, this is AND condition. It should come like this way. B score so can you see all the values are coming between 300 to 500 on screen? This was difficult to solve. Any question on this? Do we have studied this prior also? IDG, Kiran, Vallabh, Anish,
Yes,
Shantanu.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Easy for this question or difficult for you?
Easy, sir.
The question is easy, but while reading, I didn't understand what should I use for this function. That when you said that you should use LOC, then I understand the answer.
Why we use LOC? Kiran, can you say me?
LOC used for the name
No.
and IOLOC. Sorry?
LOC is used for what? It's used for the name, agree. It's used for name.
Yeah.
The question is why we use. My question is not how it works.
Because we want subjects or subject name also. No?
Madam, LOC works on names.
Right.
IOC works on position. ये उनके working.
Yes,
I don't know how it works. I know why we use. Use is different and working is different. Yes. Kiran, LOC is used to take a subset.
Right.
And it works on name-wise. Simple.
Okay.
Okay. Now, next question I'll give you. Okay. Write a program to find the numbers between 10,000 and 20,000. How you will write this? Range, perfect. Write the query, guys, and give me the solution. Basic questions.
So array is not given.
Array is not given, just a range is given. So within that range, you can take any number.
Random number.
Yes.
So for this program also, we need to write d.log, then greater
Why to write
than
up?
or
First, you have to make an array. First, you have to make a loop where the numbers will come between 10,000 to 20,000. Take any random numbers first. See. I have taken any random numbers. It's given in the question here. Okay. Sorry. You have like this. These are the numbers given in the question, I think. You just have to write a for loop. चलिए लिखोगे. ये numbers given है. तो ये हो गया हमारे लिए array. ये clear हो गया. We need numbers which come between 10,000 and 20,000. मतलब greater than 10,000 and less than 20,000. So for I in sales, whatever we have in sales will go in I. I value greater than 10,000. I value less than 20,000. Now only we have done this now. देखो, ये numbers given है, guys. I'm asking you. Do we have the sales number given for you? Yes or no? In your questionnaire. So you have a sales number for I in sales. So whatever we have in sales now will come in I for you. ये clear हो गया? If I value greater than or equal to 10,000 and I value less than or equal to 20,000. If this comes, then I want to print I. So I have to run this, sorry. See? Are you able to write? That is a task. I can write. Are you able to write by yourself? You. लिखो. First way of thinking, guys, to solve any example, read the questionnaire. Then check what is given. Then check which function should I select. लिखना नहीं है. Okay, it's a step process, guys. You do not have to write the query. Hint for you. Read questions. Find from the question what is given. Based on given, select the code. Do not write, just select. Then you think how that code is written in the class. And then you convert your given into this way. Let's break in this format next. Swapnali will solve for us. Okay. We have this data. Swapnali, what should we do? Write a program to sort the data frame by rank. What is the name of rank? Rank means what? एक कॉलम है, सॉर्टिंग कैसे करना है, which order? Ascending. ये क्लियर हो गया? So can I say we first read the question? Point number 1 done. Okay. Point number 2, we have to find what is given. So we have one data frame, and what we have to do? Sort. ये करना है. Okay. Which function should I select? Perfect. df sort values by rank. ये कोड हो गया. The function is you selected sort values. ये function है. When you keep on writing as per your data. Guys, stage is clear for you, everyone. So first thing, I make a data frame called df. Clear for you. So df dot sort values is a function by rank. Clear, guys? Easy है. If I need in descending order, then Swapnali.
Ascending first.
Perfect. Clear. Easy. Kiran, easy for you. Vallabh, Anish, Anisha.
Yes, sir.
Shantanu, easy for you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I same thing we have done in the classroom also? No. Use the data set given in the question number 18. This is the question number 18. Okay, this is what data we have. Okay. Do the following. Write a program to swap first row and second row. What is our first row, guys? Joy. And second row? Mia. So first row second हो जाएगा और second row first. ऐसे करना है. So reading clear? Then it's clear for you what you have to do. So you have to use previous data and you have to swap करना है. ये clear हो गया? तो data frame create करना है और एक swap create करना है. So first, guys, create a data frame, everyone. Done for you, Swapnali. Guys, have you written this or should I? On screen, I have just made a DF. This is the data which we have. I have given index number as the A, B, C, D. What the question say? Mia should become first row and first row should become second row. So DF dot reindex. First B will come, then A will come, then C, and then D. Swipe away. Easiest way to swipe is you can use IVLC also. can use LOC, you can use IOC, you can use the index. All three is applicable. As the students, have you solved this one or need any help? Written, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now guys, we have question number 20. Read that. You have to write a program which help us to replace 0 and 1 in gender with male and female. Male को क्या value देना है? 0 and female was 1. First, you have to frame data frame. I make this data for you. Okay. Remember, in the sheet number 1, there's a function I teach you called replace. Hello become Jello. If you remember, I will open for you. So, which column we have to work on, guys? Gender. Data set name ABC dot gender. What I want to do? Replace. What are the keywords I have to replace? 1 with female, comma, 0 with male. Do not want to assign use in place as true. Same thing I have written over here. Can you see? देखो अभी यहाँ पे हमने कहीं असाइन किया है क्या? अगर असाइन नहीं करना है, we use in place as true, means do the changes in same file. I don't want to assign again and again. If you do not want to use in place, it's also fine. Then you have to use assign ABC dot gender. See, it's done for you. So if you do not want to assign again and again, okay, we use in place as true.
Sir, if you don't mind, will you please explain in place one again?
Okay. Don't worry, I will always explain again and again multiple times. Don't worry. Okay. Point number 1. Section 1 by 1. ABC. Okay. Point number 1. Column name. Gender. I want to replace. Which value? 0, 1. What value should I give for 0? 0 as male and 1 as female, comma, bracket, 0 as male, comma, and 1 as female. Clear? Now, if I want to save this, what should I do, guys? We need to assign this same data, same column. Then if you want to say error ABC, clear? Did I get replaced, guys? Point number 1 clear for you? Now guys, I don't want to write this. Now I don't want to write this. Yes, we import data again and I run this code. Are we assigning this value, guys? We're just looking at data now. What will happen? If you do not want to assign and you want to save also, we use in place. Got the importance of in place. Assign नहीं करना है तो in place use करो. Done till here, or should I repeat? Guys, moving to question number 21. Convert a 1D array to 2D array. I teach you one dimension, 2 dimension. First, write this data, question number 21. Done, everyone. If you make an array, the next thing is we have to convert 1 dimension to 2 dimension. If you remember, we have done NumPy. Okay. Let me open the NumPy for you guys. Okay. Now, if you see in NumPy, okay, where we have done a function named something known as reshape. See, what is the metric size? 3 cross 4. I say I want to make 2 matrix. What is the size? 2 cross 3. Means 2 rows. Let me see. Where we have 2 rows and 3 columns. Matrix size is 2. I need 2 matrix. Same way, here we have dim 1. I want to reshape, okay, into 2, and row has to be, column has to be 3. Can you see? Can I say we break data into 2 dimensions instead of 1 dimension? 1 dimension, 1 array, 2 dimension means 2 rows. 3 dimension means 3 rows. Any question? This is I just printed. Nothing else. Print of dim1, which is 1 array, print of dim2, which is 2 array. Have you solved this prior? Have you tried? We have done same thing in the classroom, guys. Done, guys. Or should I repeat? Guys, shall I go to second question? Okay. Now, guys, if you read this one, we have to find average cost of each variety of a product. So, okay. What you have to find? Average. Average is called as mean cost value. The cost एक variable होगा. A variety of products. So we have many varieties of products. For example, you can say product A, product B, product C in 3 different shops. So we have 3 shops. In 3 shops, we have variety of products. Agree. If you go to any general store, you find rice, dal. Second store, you can also find rice, dal, oil, and masalas. These are products. So we have a data frame where we have 3 types of products and 3 types of shops. Clear? We have to find average of cost of each variety of product. So my question is, do we need average shop wise or product wise? Read the question. Product wise or different? Something wrong. Read one more time. Variety of products. Variety means row or column. As per this data. Nice. Data is clear for you. Increase data size. The variety of, we have to compute average cost of each variety of product. So can I say we have to compute product wise? Product can be called column for me. Can I compute average of product 1? Okay, what should be the code? Question clear? Reading clear? Question comes, what we need to find that, what is given? Data frame is given and finding is okay, average. So first read. Then think what we need to find. Then look for code. So given is data frame. We need to find average. Average product wise. Ye clear ho gaya? Okay. Now what should be the function? I've teach you in NumPy, in array, sum, multiplicative. Now, in this data, guys, data set name is, let me run this, df dot. What I have to compute? Mean. Agree? Mean, do we have to compute mean column wise or row wise?
Column wise.
So what is access?
1.
1. If I want to compute mean of only product 1, this will be better. df5, sorry. Exemption warning. No access, name one type of object series. df5, product A. Trying to compute mean of access 1. Access 1 become difficult. Are we getting mean of all? Here we don't have to write the access. The difficult is X. We need to specify the column name. No need to write. That is my mistake. Okay. If you need for all column, then you write access 1 and remove the product. Are we getting for all the column names mean? 10 plus 20 plus 30 is how much? Okay. Now 60 divided by 3. We should get as 20. Okay. Still clear? Period or data frame, but access only machine. Okay. DF dataset me access 0 for each and every product you get the solution for you. Comma. You don't want index. What is the question? This is your data frame. Then you write index, the inbuilt function. You give the index number. Either you can give A, comma B, comma C. That is column name. If you want a column, there's a function called column. For example, you want to give product AS. You have to write in manually over here. If you want to give new column name, you can specify that also. Double A, comma, double B, comma, double C. C. Column name get changed. Virus is not coming because we have defined up over here. It's a column name. Correct. Day one. Done everyone so far over here. Next. Did this one and tell me what should I do. Question number 23. Anyone? Question number 23, what we have to do, guys? We have to make Seaborn. Perfect. First, we make an array. Then we have to pick this plot. Perfect. Either we use his plot or either you can use, guys, this plot. Let's give you the line. Clear? Easy? Now. Easy, guys. Or should I repeat for you? Anyone? Kiran, Ragini, Shantanu, Vallabh. Easy to make a histogram?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next question is this one. Write a program to delete the item from series A. Once you have to delete from series A, that are present in series B. So wherever A value present in B, I have to delete from A and update series A. So first I make two series, A and B. Do like this way. So we are checking series A value inside series B. There is a function called isIn. We have done prior also. Is null. Remember df dot is null. Then we do sum. Able to recollect on screen. Whatever we have in series A, I'm checking in series B. Isn't. Okay. Then whatever is common, which is this common, okay, delete that. I'm assigning in series A and I convert to list and give me res. I just convert the value into list format. Delete this. So follows and check. You will delete the common one and give you the remaining one. So you can think like this way.
Sir, if you don't.
This is not the only way. You can do it different way also. So 11, 12, 13 is not common. So remove the common one. This will give you the common one. To remove common, we use LDA. So delete the common one from series. Simplest way of understanding.
Shravani? No, Shiba. Okay.
Series A, this value on screen, I have to check. Is for check. In means inside. Inside B. So there are two things are matching, 3 and 4. This is clear. Now if we say 3 and 4, what value we have at 3rd and 4th, which is matching? See, 14 and 15 are matching, which is that this is the 0 position, 1 position, 2 position, 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is match. Now question come from where they match. From series A. Which are my 14 and 15. Which are matching for me. Clear? Now I don't want this matching part. Middle 11, 12, 13. This is coming in a column format. I convert to less format. Clear? Easy, guys. So you can say delta is for don't give the match. Guys, understand this. I will share this file with you also. Don't worry. Understand the question, understand what is required function, and how should we use that. Now we have to create a series of 40 random numbers. कितने numbers होंगे? 40. Transform into data frame. Contain 7 columns and 5 rows. Now to generate any random number, what is the function we use over here? Random. Same thing, random int. I understand for integer. So in NumPy, I need to generate a random numbers on screen. How many between 0 to 40? 0 to 1. Any numbers, if I say again one time, again another number, again another number. So any randomly one numbers. The question comes, how many you need? I see the size has to be 5 rows and 7 columns. And to close this. This become an array for you. We have to convert this array into data frame that we use pandas.data frame. Easy, guys. Can I say first I break data what I need? Random numbers. Then I break into matrix size. Then we get an array. We break into data frame. So we just break one question into 3 parts to solve this. Clear? Write this question, guys. Matrix has 7 5 there. 35 number between 0 to 40. Question is small mistake hoga happy because matrix size is 3 5 7 35. So matrix size will be 35 element. 5 cross 7. You have to take numbers between 0 to 40. If you can see all the numbers is same range. Common elements we can use same is any function or you can use interact, depends on you. वो भी कर सकते हो आप, ये भी कर सकते हो. If you use the prior one, guys, what should be the query? Test A is an A is in test B कुछ तो wrong लिखा. This is array ना, वो series है. It is pandas. It's a series. Now it's an array. So you have to use interact. If this become pandas pd dot series, you can use it, isn't it? So intersect for one dimension means for one array, A and B, wherever there is a common, that number will come in print for you. It's an array. Here we don't have a symbol. Here we put a post-it then. So array में intersect का opposite is uncommon ना, experimentally work नहीं करेगा, I think ये नहीं work करेगा, just negation ना, okay, uncommon, not, आपको function लिखना होगा, opposite नहीं है, uncommon, you have to use the lambda function or def function. What should be query for this one? Question number 27. Please, I will be sharing this file. Do not write. Let's have a discussion. Okay. Question number 7. What are we importing? Load. Okay. So we have to load data set called flights from Seaborn. So we say import Seaborn is SNS. Load data flight. ये clear हो गया, easy है. We have to check data type for all variables. How to write? df dot columns. What do you want to do? Columns dot type. df.info will give you all information. Easy one. Or if you want to use not info, you can use dtype. You can use any one function. Either use info or either use dtype. Now this one, this is very important. We have to compute total sales for each product and country. So can I say we need country wise or product wise, country wise, how much sales happens? If you talk about product A, and if you talk about USA, do we have any sales? How many USA we have and how many product A we have? $44,000, $67,000. Total will become as 1,10,000, 1,11,000 something. So this way they need product wise, country wise, total sales. Which function should we use? No, I'll teach you prior something in charts, pie charts. Something group by. This is the data we have. DF is the data, group by, product wise, country wise. For sales, give me sum. Are we getting the same thing? For product A, for USA, 1111. Clear? Let me show you. Let me show you group by data visualization. Remember? The same way we have done, guys. So if I need only country wise, what should I write? DF dot group by country wise sales sum. Next. You can use any function. Same way, instead of using a sum, we have to use describe function, because descriptive stats will give you minimum, count, mean, standard deviation, mean, max, and the quartile. Clear. So can I say all these things we have learned prior, guys, from question number 16 onwards? Clear. Any question till 16 onwards, guys? Please ask. Okay. So wait until you have. I don't want to increase the level for today. We'll come back to the charts. Okay. After charts, tomorrow we'll discuss from 1 to 15, because 1 to 15 is slightly difficult. Okay. So before coming tomorrow, guys, revise from 16 to 29. Take a 10 minutes break, guys. Okay. After break, we'll continue. Guys, if you can able to see the screen, everyone online students, start writing this one. Okay. If you can see, every time the code are same, only I'm just adding smoker. At each and every level, I'm just keep on adding. Write one time code and copy paste multiple times. Write this one. I will teach you this one and visualization tomorrow. Okay. Write this faster, please. just have to copy paste this. Do not write everything. Just write one time and copy paste. If we can say this function and this function is same, is a small change in variable name. Guys, if you're done till here, we can stop for the day. Tomorrow, I'll explain you 3 points. Point number 1, the charts one. Point number 2, pivot. Point number 3, the remaining 15 questions. Okay, so don't be absent. Kiran and Vallabh be online. When you come to the session, we come in classroom.
Online, sir, online.
I'm saying that the remaining students, sorry, Shantanu and Kiran, come to the classroom. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. That's for the day, guys.
Sir.
Anisha, I found solution for you due to my
Sir.
to make the procedure.
Sir, I can't hear you. Can you repeat again, sir?
I'm saying I'm not getting a time to make a procedure for you how to install MySQL. So
Sir,
what can I do for you? The video link, can you do by yourself?
Yes, sir.
I'll do that. I will give you 10
Yes, sir.
minutes.
Video link picture. Okay, sir. I'll do that.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir, if you don't mind, मुझे WhatsApp में भेज दे क्या, please?
I will do WhatsApp only.
Okay, okay.
Thank you, everyone.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.